Hello and namaste everyone. Once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Yograja. So today I will show you power yoga class, and in this I will teach you that how you can improve your strength. But before practicing this class, first watch the full video carefully. Listen that where I am saying inhale and exhale, in which position you have to hold your breath, how to move your body. First watch it carefully. After that try to practice. So we start. So first we will do first warm up, and I will do warm up in the variation of sun salutation. So first we come in the plank here like this, and take it here like this, straight body, drop penny, chest down, look straight. Inhale, squeeze the hip. Exhale, press the heel on the mat, keep your lower back straight. Inhale, right leg forward, raise the both arms straight, look up. Exhale, go back, feet together, contract your core. Drop penny, chest down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, press the heel on the mat. Left leg, inhale, raise the arm straight. Exhale, feet together, contract your core. Drop penny, chest down. Inhale, squeeze the hip. Exhale, press the heel on the mat. Right leg, inhale, raise the arm straight. Exhale, feet together. Drop penny, chest down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, press the heel on the mat. Left leg, inhale, raise the arm straight. Exhale, feet together. Drop penny, chest down. Inhale, lift your ribcage up. Exhale. Now slowly inhale, right leg forward and take your both arms straight, look up and hold. Keep your right leg straight 90 degree and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and when slowly exhale. Now slowly how to just bend your right leg and touch your right knee to the elbow. 1. Take normal breathing. Look in between your hand. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again place your right leg forward in between your mat. Drop penny. Take it down here again. Inhale, look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and when slowly exhale, arms down, take a toe dip in. Now slowly inhale, take your right leg up here, maintain balance and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and when slowly take your right leg forward, inhale, join your palm, look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and when slowly exhale, arms down again, and just bend your right leg, toes up and hold it. Now this time try to look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and when slowly exhale, now press down here, change your leg, left leg. Take a left leg forward in between your palm and slowly raise both arms straight, look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and when slowly exhale, take both arms down. Now slowly how to just bend the knee and touch your left knee to the left elbow and hold here. Squeeze your core. 6, 5, take normal breathing. 4, 3, 2, and when slowly left leg forward here, right knee down and take it again 90 degree. Inhale, look up and hold, join your palm, relax the shoulder. 6, look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and when exhale, take it down here, back knee up. Now sorry, plank, but take your left leg up and hold your 6, and take your both hands 90 degrees straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly left leg forward here. Inhale, join your palm, relax your shoulder and hold here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale, take it down here. Again plank, but just bend the knee, left leg, toes up and hold here. 6, contract your core. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale. Now slowly here again, press your heel down. Now inhale, right leg forward, back heel down. Slowly take your both arms straight here. Look at your right hand and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale. Now take your back heel up. Inhale, take your right arm straight up and hold. Both legs straight. 6, lift up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale. Take your right leg forward, back heel down. Inhale, raise your both arms straight, and exhale, try to catch your calf, look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly inhale, exhale, arm down, take the back heel up, and again inhale, bend your leg, right leg, raise your arm straight, look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale, take it again, put it forward here, back heel down. Inhale, take your arm straight, and exhale, put your right elbow on the knee, look up and hold. 6, take normal breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale. Now take a back heel up, and now slowly feet together, side plank, look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale. Now slowly have to just press down, hold it here for a few breaths. 1, 2, keep your lower back straight. 3, 4, and 5. Now change your leg, left leg, put it forward here. Inhale, again straight up. Look at your right hand and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale, take a back heel up. Inhale, keep your both legs straight, lift up, look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale, take your left leg forward here, back heel down. Inhale, take both arms straight, and slowly place your right hand on the calf, look up and hold. 6, 5, take normal breathing. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly inhale, and exhale, place your arms down, back heel up. Now bend your left leg. Inhale, lift up and stretch. Hold here. 6, lift up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale. Now again, take a left leg forward, right heel down. Inhale, take your arm straight, and exhale, take a left elbow on your left knee, look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale, back heel up. Now inhale, side plank, take your feet together. Inhale, look up and hold your. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly exhale. Learn how to take it back again. Now feel the gap here and again hold it here for a few breaths. Hold here. 1, 2, 3. Take normal breathing. 4, and 5. Now slowly how to jump. Take it forward here like this. Raise the heel up here and take your both arms straight. This is only for the relaxation. Relax the shoulder. 1. Keep your lower back straight. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Take it down here and jump. Take it back here. Now slowly take your both elbow down here. Now inhale. See here, right leg. Take your right arm straight. Look up and hold. Exhale. Bend your right knee. Again right leg. Inhale. Get your toe. See your right leg and left hand. Exhale. Inhale. Right leg. Exhale. Inhale. Right leg. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Last 2. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly exhale. Inhale. Look at your toe and hold your 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly again exhale. Take your both legs straight here. Again go back in the down dog position and again hold here for a few breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now again how to jump. Take it here. Now again this is only for the relaxation and hold here. 1. Take normal breathing. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Exhale. Jump. Now last round. Now change the leg. Left leg here. Again see. Put your elbow down. Inhale. Left leg. Take your arm straight. Exhale. See. Don't put it down. Take it up only. Inhale. Left leg. Right hand. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Left arm straight. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last 2. Inhale. Take the left arm straight. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last. Inhale. Take your arms straight and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Exhale. Change your hand. Inhale. Look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly exhale. Now again how to take a feet gap here and few seconds in down dog and hold here. 1. Take normal breathing. Slowly inhale and exhale. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slowly how to put it down here and few seconds how to just relax. So this is for the relaxation. Head down and hold here. Okay, so if you're practicing like this, it will help you to increase your strength, flexibility, and it will also help you tone up your muscles. So stay fit, stay healthy. See you in the next video. And before leaving the video, please try to subscribe if you are new. Thank you so much.